Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a manifest query. First, we click on Create. We need to select if we are doing an entry number, inbound number, bill of lading, area bill, or house area bill. Once selected, we enter the number, and we can select the range if we want the most recent notification, the last 5 notifications, or all available notifications. Once we have all this information, we click on Create and Send. Our query will be sent out and we can see it on the dashboard. Once we have the response, we can click on View Response. And we will see all the header information that is provided by the carrier or the airline. As well, we can open the Master Details tabs and we can see the disposition codes that we will receive. The same for the House Details tabs. We can see the disposition code as well as the house information. We can print all this information with the printing options, which summary will give you a one-page report about the bill status. The details will give us multiple pages stating the last status for each individual house, and the detailed CSV, which contains the same information as the previous one but in an Excel format instead of PDF.